Hi everyone, this video will show you how to set up a Word document in MLA format. So the first thing you'll have to do after you open a new document is change the font type and size. So the font type for MLA format is Times New Roman. If it's not listed as one of your recently used fonts, then you can start typing Times New Roman and it'll appear, or you can just hunt through all the other fonts. I'm going to select Times New Roman, and I need to change it to 12 point. Okay, now that my font is set up, I have to change the paragraphing. So what you do is you click on this little arrow here. We're going to look at this part right here first. So we're going to change the line spacing to double. It's double spaced. And then this is just kind of a little trick. Both the before and after need to be set at 0. I don't know why, but if you don't have them both set at 0, every time you press enter to start a new paragraph, there's going to be a little bit of extra space between each paragraph than there is between each line. It just advances naturally. Alright, so I press OK. Then I'm going to type in my heading and header. So first we'll do the heading. So I'll type my name. Alright, then you're going to type in your teacher's name. So I'll put Mr. Ringfelt. Yay! That was Mr. Ringfelt. Then you type in your class, which is English 3. Or if you are an English 2 honors and watching this, then you would type English 2H. Then you type the date. So remember, the format for the date for MLA is day, month, year, and you want to include the day, well, the date, I suppose, that the assignment that you're submitting is due. So let's just pretend this assignment was due on 25th of September 2015. Very good. Alright, so now I want to include my title. I need to center it. I'm just going to type title right now for a placeholder, but for whatever assignment you are creating, you want to make sure that your title is creative and it is connected to the, your thesis or the main idea of your essay. Alright, so the last thing that I have to do is include the header, which will have my last name and the page numbers. So to open up the header, all you have to do is double click at the top of the page. Alright, so I have to go back first, so I'm going to go to home. I'm going to change the font again because it defaults back to Calibri. So Times New Roman 12 point. Then the header should be on the right hand side, so I'm going to justify right by clicking. Now I'm going to type in my last name. Then I'm going to press spacebar 1. Now I need to insert the page number. Now if I were just to type 1, it would say Ringfelt 1 on every page, and that's not what I want. So you can do this from two places. You can either go to Insert, or you can go into the Header and Footer tools that's open. I'm just going to go into Insert, and I want to look for page number, which is over here. Alright, so I click page number. I want the page number in the current position, which means that the page number will appear where my cursor currently is, one space after my last name. So current position, and then I want to select the first option, plain number. And then if I double click back into the body, it closes the header, and I'm all good to go. And that is it. I guess one more thing. There is an example of a paper in MLA posted to JT Learn. The title of the document is MLA Example. So you can take a look at that document and compare it against your document to make sure everything looks correct.